Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, khandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani khandai pran rio laisan, an riway khandai pran.
Hapadeng ke Jingkemen, le Burom ke St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang. Hak Rukom ke Ishongkun yo samla Sngewbhalang jaran. Ubalawan rak Burom yo ke school dak bayo arung. Hak top 20 hak eksamen Sslc bala pelong dak embus. Hak bayo result lap nemana mata sengi ke apun ru trik ujembang arjar apulai. Sngewbhalang jaran ubalawan hak kedan khat pra. Dak bayo khur tanspa saupun ru marks na kan ru spa bayo distinction habro ru tulik subject. Bat kini ke jing job jong Sngewbhalang jaran rapen kemen hadu kata atai kena puli baya ginoi kai jong St. Thomas bat wat ya kedong kathan hi borok away kuman chupukan mau ke St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kadai tang maka ke school ke badan hapo ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District ke bala ban sei bun tam ki kena puli ki banyo rong ha ke top 10 ne ke top 20 jong result SSLC bat om takata hande kelayo ru ban bat RCN ya ke kedan ke bahak mat du hak ni ke eksamen bala pelong dak embus bat hadu menta kalala ban sei hadu shphongut ki khna ki balayo rong hang ni ka thup
jalan asing naik jet dio syapra ringkat ki para kelas hikai ni kinong hikai ni kloy banyarap yapi
sama aku belayo belajar takendat bukan tahu bela ai ngakan kan jingkat jingkat ke ba untuk exam ba yang aku belajar kita hikai ba la khot la hikai nga ada musyaw kan ada hadum ta ba kanek towik ke ba ngapa ba ong nak ba khoi ba long ka bala banya long perlok la makin hikai la chong ban jok kata ka jingmut ka ba khamai shai nama ba ta classroom jingbun khna ni bun ta ni namala ban yo ta jing batai ka batkina la da ka ba ya long jalam kina hikai bahaya pi ba kai ngi ba kumno ban long ban kulia kop ha ban thop hai ka sla kam ka jing khen ba ya la ma ya pau smart ba ya fresh tom lang nama ba da ka jing ya drop lang makin hikai ni long ka jing slur ka ba ni yo na hikai ka long ka khamai phya ka ba long ka jing slur ka ba yo na mi pa hajing mo tunga kalong ba nampol mo do bukan puasa ni asu naperkhat ba bukan an puasa ni ka thong nama ba kuma on nga de dil ba de tu ba snack ka kot handa da ka ba ya kan tu lang smart la ka smart khela ka biang nama ba hakal dil school man ni dah kam kejikan tu mai kum kena nyem pak lam po sion kam kejikan tu mei pa ka jingya ai jingmut lang da ka ba a jingmut lang ki mei pa banya kan tu lang ki ma ki para ru ki ba ba ya dan sum sana ki ba ai ong yang ba ya ka ko ba nama ba nyem tep kalau we kene ai nyem tep ba ka so ba tiang yo hetang ka we ka jin tre sitom ai tre sitoman uso mi ba ada ubati batiang na bajau hendak ini benpidang ya ka bat mi de banyak chaprang ka em mala ba kham la ba chua ba dang song ka snan ata ka po ka la don jeng bot bangan lek science dan batang ni science ngai bang ha ya ki no ki teknologi nga ka ban ki chapat ka ta ki ba so tenat dengan la.
Actually, we as a school, we are very happy to get this result, especially this year. We had 68 students, and out of 68, 64 students have passed, and we have 94.11% of the result. And above all, we are very happy that Sngewbhalang was able to achieve 18th position in the top 20 list. So this achievement has not come in one day. It is hard work of 10 years, where he has worked from class pre-nursery. He used to be the topper, and then now he has achieved this best result in his life, and we are very happy for that. Last night we were not able to sleep, as sir was explaining to you. Like, we were very excited. We expected even more than that. Like, we expected 2, but the other one was not able to reach. But when this morning when we came to school, we were just waiting for the clock to strike 10 and then to see the result. And when it was 10 o'clock, our net was not functioning properly. We were very tensed. And then we were ringing up to Shillong, if anyone has got already the top 10 list, please send us. And as soon as we got it, we stopped checking the rest of the results. And then we enjoyed first. Then we checked the result, and we found that we had good percentage, pass percentage. So our school, St. Thomas, he's the 10th person to achieve the top 10 and top 20 list. And we feel that St. Thomas is making a history, especially during these past years, since 2019. I think Banteng Shine has really inspired the rest of the students who are studying in the school to go ahead, because in spite of his illness, he was able to achieve that. And that gave inspiration to rest of the students. If Banteng Shine, in spite of his illness, can do, why not me? And today, some of the students of class 9, because class 10 is having exam, so class 9 students came to congratulate me, and they told, sister, when our turn comes, we want to get more. So these are the inspiring students who are inspiring the others. So I feel very happy for that.